Swagbucks pays users in points that convert into gift cards or PayPal cash, but most users report that earnings depend heavily on task availability and time spent completing offers. By the end of this, you'll know 5 types of apps that can outperform Swagbucks in payout speed or earning potential, how they actually structure rewards, and what really decides which apps are worth your time. Start with the key comparison point. Swagbucks works on a point system where different actions like surveys, offers, and searches generate small rewards that build up over time. So, higher paying usually means faster accumulation or higher value tasks. First category is high-paying survey platforms. These apps focus on longer surveys that often pay more per completion compared to standard low-value surveys found on typical reward apps. Second category is offer-wall reward apps. These platforms pay users for completing app installs, sign-ups, and trial offers, which usually generate higher rewards than passive earning methods. Third category is cashback shopping apps. These apps can outperform basic reward platforms when users regularly shop online, because cashback percentages scale with purchase value. Fourth category is freelance microtask apps. These apps pay for real tasks like data entry or simple digital work, which can produce higher earnings than point-based reward systems. Fifth category is gaming reward apps with milestone payouts. These platforms pay based on in-game progress milestones, which can sometimes outperform standard ad-based or passive reward apps depending on usage time. Now, here's what actually determines whether an app actually pays more than Swagbucks. Task value matters more than task volume. Fewer high-value tasks can outperform hundreds of low-value ones. Availability also matters. Some apps only show high-paying offers in certain regions or at certain times. And withdrawal structure matters most. Even high earnings mean nothing if payout thresholds are too high or slow to process. So comparing apps is less about brand names and more about how their reward system is built. Summary: apps that can outperform Swagbucks usually rely on higher value tasks, cashback systems, or milestone-based rewards. Real earnings depend on task quality, availability, and withdrawal rules. Structure matters more than platform popularity. Next step: compare one alternative reward app with Swagbucks side by side and track which one reaches payout faster under the same amount of daily usage. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of apps that actually pay without hype or unrealistic earning claims.